As the 2026 TTAADC elections draw closer, political activities are intensifying across the state. In a significant boost for the IPFT, a joining program was held on Tuesday evening at Gubchan Para under the West Manikya Dewan ADC village of Karbook. 32 voters from 14 families left their respective political parties to join the IPFT.
IPFT long live, long live, long live. IPFT long live, long live, long live. IPFT long live, long live, long live. বিভিন্ন পার্টি জায়গা পাইছেন খাবাই খুবাই লামসাগো, লামসাগো, লামসাগো। বিভিন্ন পার্টি জায়গা পাইছেন খাবাই খুবাই লামসাগো, লামসাগো, লামসাগো। IPFT বিশিন Tripura land sham nai, sham nai, sham nai.
The meeting served as a platform for IPFT leaders to engage with the local tribal community. The focus of the gathering was to strengthen the party's organizational base in the Karbook RD block ahead of the upcoming council elections. Key dignitaries present at the event included were Bhagirat Riyang, President IPFT Karbook Division, and Pranab Tripura, Vice President IPFT Central Committee and BSc Vice Chairman of Karbook RD block.
Pochin actually Pochin Manikya Dewan Gubchan Para Chini no class of our Soddo Poriba but Tris Buta Chini IPFT Tripura Matania Career Sono Biscang Tripura Lenny Yapri Sono Logerina here Haya Brano Hambai Karbook Division Party IPFT Brano Yaso Lasaha Brano Bela Hambai our body cano Chini Sara Karbook Saba Yakeno or Zotto Patini Unye Chini IPFT or Joini Haitomo Biscani or the Hada Sabi Edition Batani Toyeno Tau Zone or movement Solitum
Hambai Jotosini media friend no Tini Haino Haising back to back joining program Pumano Party IPFT Karbook Division ni Netriteo Tini Haino Haising Pochin Manikya Dewan Gubchan Para 14 family ni 32 butar Sengketal Khayei Sini IPFT o Manphika Sini Ata Doiboram Liang Sini Tripura Mothani member Bini Netriteo Seng 14 family 32 butar Tini Nidino Seng o Gurwa Soba Horsang Jorani o Somoya Seng Mankha Somoy Baksa Samung Khane Hinei Bo Tini Onghoga Tini Simin Bo IPFT o Katal Mukhangke Somoy Baksa Samung Khane Asa Khlayo Bini Netriteo Seng Pochin Manikya Dewan agam dino tebo Kaham Netritori Manai Hinei Tai o Paraningi Bo Kaham Netritor Nai Hinei Seng Khakayo Norok Saimano IPFT ni Ektana ideology Seng Alada Raijo Sanai 2009 Simin Himani Tamningke Tangnai Tango Paine Payo Abo Kunu Metalya Tamningka IPFT ni Samung Kaham Khaiman Nugino Tini Suk Jora Seng Posis Nutun Bazar Malbasa Edisi ni contingency o Seng day to day program Chini Tomo Timase Salvar Huntei Kintu join program ni Chini Salsi Thagya Seng Khnaba Haina joining na pinai Omo Hakino daily Chini Tabu Karjokoloi Choli Tongo Chini Samung Choli Tongo Asa Khayo Seng Kaham ke o Nutun Bazar Malbasano agam dino Seng Kaham babe IPFT rok Ekok babe lore khayei Seng paine hini asa khayo
Pure report Chini Khorang.